All right. So, can I run this up any higher? Probably not. If it's as high as it will go. Yeah, probably. Anybody got a telephone book I can sit on? All right. So, let's see what we got here. Put some of this in my phone. Isn't that big one? Yeah, this one. So this is the QDX by QRP Labs out of Turkey, I think it is. Yes, I have already. This is not a box opening. I've already opened it to make sure that everything was as expected upon the delivery. So, some things have been moved from their original container, but not much. That's the QRP Labs. So if you're not familiar with what this is what this is. So, not much bigger than a cigarette pack. Slightly, I'll pull the case out. The case will give you a good idea of its size. It was not packed. It was packed much better than this. I had to rip it apart to get things apart. So the case, that's it. That's the entire case right there, and I can. I'm one of those people that pollutes the air, so I can very easily give you a demonstration. This is not an advertisement for Pall Mall. This is merely just to show size. So as you can see, it's about the same height. A little bit wider. And just a little bit thicker. Widthier. Okay, that's probably not a word. But anyway, that'll give you an idea of the size. And I could measure it if I could find a tape measure, but I don't see one handy. But, yeah, ultimately, it'll end up like that. So we don't need that right now. We got the end pieces, screws, feet. That's primarily what that all looks like. And I don't need that right away either. And the first thing I'm going to do, and I'll come back after I do this, is I'm going to pull everything out. And I'm going to compare it to the parts list in the assembly manual to make sure that I have everything before I actually begin assembly, or attempting assembly. So this is just a teaser video to start off with, and hopefully maybe I'll get a better camera stand. Maybe. Okay, here's the circuit board, and the circuit boards come pre-assembled as far as the SMD, the surface mount devices. You can see both sides here. Very good. Oh yeah, excited. I don't know if I'll have it done by field day. This is Thursday night before field day. Yeah, I guess it depends on how hard it is. So more than likely you won't see this video until after. Well, you might see this video very soon before field day, but you probably won't see the rest of the assembly video if I decide to do it. Since I have such poor mounting, and to be honest, assembling something is kind of boring, to be honest. Yeah, a lot of parts, BNC jack, let's see, USB-B, barrel connector, some magnet wire. I don't know what gauge that is. Probably says so. A little 1/8 inch. It's either 1/8 inch stereo or. No, I Actually, I think it's 1/8 inch. It might be 1/8 inch mono. I'm not really sure. Phone jack. So this is basically the big components for interconnectivity, plus the wire, a few resistors, the coils, which have to be round, 4-wood coils, and transformer, one transformer, and then basic capacitors, LEDs, semiconductor transistors. I don't think I saw a diode in here. Oh yeah, there's a couple diodes in there. So we're running the gambit of all different types of components. It's a basic kit. I want to say it was like, don't quote me on this. You can find it at QRPkits.com. Is that what it was? QRP Labs, QRPLabs.com. I think in total with shipping and the case was extra. You know, it's only about like a little over $100 American, US dollars. Convert as needed. So I'm going to pull the parts list out, and I'm going to just do nothing but check and make sure I got everything that I need, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Well, a little bit as far as you're concerned. It's going to be a while for me. I know there's a parts list here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. So I should be back in a while. We'll talk to y'all a little bit later, and hope to see you again. Bye.